Yeah.
Is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God.
Our God is awesome. Let's go. Hey. Yeah. I like that. I always wanted to flip this joint. Let's get it. Yeah. Hey. All power, he contains it. The man on his own, abandoned the throne of approach across stainless. Death couldn't shake him or derail. 3 nails could pierce but couldn't break him or make him appear taken away from his mere nature. Not while slumber is hovering over the block. I pray that my peers wake up. We were born out of alignment. The perfect timing is now to check for a pulse. If you ain't rocked by him, high and prone to be biased when I peek the timeline behind him and see no highness as high as him. He reigns, Lord, firearms are too short to aim for him. Call him extremist, he leaks Katrinas with his brainstorming. That's quite enormous, to say the least. Our God is a beast, his rap is the sound of a lion roaring. Since he's topped by none, I'm on hip-hop's front line, screaming from the top of my lungs. Our God. Glory, he demands it. All pale in comparison. He owns the scales that you can't tip off, cause he can't slip off. So I say unanimous with no hiatus. My heart is bearing his manuscripts. Our bars bear them, while the world swears by its barbarics, we declare them. Fist clench in the thin air for him. Won't fold when it comes to make him in the wear of him. Breathe. He's exactly what we could never be. Born of identity, sinning better than a panic. We couldn't let it speak, but say this is set is free. Redeemed from the chokehold of sin's destruction. Serve no one but him, only spits and you comprehend. But in the end, these words serve him no justice. Yeah, nothing exists without his signature to allow it. Lord of the ring, cause all creation revolves around him. The I am more than a legend and some. So we boast to the Lord through these anthems and sing. Our God.
Thank you for your love, for your prayers, for the things you've given. How could we recount all you've done on this side of heaven? We're grateful, and we want to say thank you for all the things you say and do. Thank you for showing us some love that's true. Thank you. This simple song is not enough. Thank